Hi everyone, welcome to Karen from tillycrafts.co.uk. Just wanted to bob on and share with you this baby cut and emboss machine. I've been waiting since beginning of January for it, and it's come today, but it's just come about 10 minutes ago. So I wanted to share with you what I got. How cute is this? So this is the mini stamp cut and emboss machine, and it's in the annual catalogue, and I'm going to show it to you. Oh. So I also got this new stamp set, Woodland Wonder, which I can't wait to have a play with this. It's a photopolymer stamp, lots of cute little animals. Blending pens are coming out for that. Got a free celebration of these blooms papers. I've done some celebration videos and I show all the papers on there, but this is the main thing. How cute is this? It's got Stampin' up on the side, and you get with it, folds out like that, and you get with it a pack of plates. You get exactly the same in the bigger one, but obviously bigger plates. And let's get these out. So, hang on, you get a little thing that tells you how to use it in there, and that comes with it. But you also get a base plate, which is a number 1, and it tells you what you need to go with what on it, so that you know. So for die cutting, you have the number 1 and 2 of the number 2s. So you'd put your die in the middle on the paper and just run it through. You also have a embossing folder here, and I'm just checking. So one's a bit thicker than the other, so I am presuming that you would need the number 1 and the number 3 for the standard embossing folders, and number 4 is for the 3D ones, so you'd use those two for the 3D ones. That's right. So I'm still trying to get my head around these. So how cute is that? And you get all that in there, and I just wanted to show you the difference in size of it. So here's the big brother. So if you can see, it's quite a fit, but you can see I've used this a lot. It's a bit mucky, it needs a clean, but that's the size of it. So how cute are those together? Right, I'm just going to grab a piece of paper and we'll have a little play with it and see what it cuts like. So in the catalogue, which I can't find where I put my catalogue because I have been cleaning my craft room, and as normal I've been cleaning that good that I don't know where I put anything. Oh, there it is. That's where it should be. So in the back of your catalogue, you've got the dies and the embossing folders, and if you notice here, it has the little mini sign on it. So these will go through the big one, but these are specifically designed for the little one as well. So anything with that sign on means it'll go through this little one, and it's exactly the same with the dies. As you can see, they've got the minis, so it's like if you've got a bigger die, they won't go through the machine. That's, the little ones will, but the big image will not fit through the little one. So these will all go through the little one, and it's just the ones without won't go through the little one. Well, the bigger images won't go through the little one. So let me see what I've got that will go through the mini. All the the stitch shapes and that will go through them. I'm just looking to see if I've got any. I can't remember which dies I've got now. Stitch So Sweetly will go through it. Oh, the Pampered Pets will go through it. Shall we have a go with the Pampered Pets? Right, let's make some marks in here, and just need to find my Pampered Pets. So inside here we've got the dies, the pet dies. No, they're not in there. What have I done with them? They're just in here because I was playing with them. Right. Let's grab a piece of paper. go through. I just need to cut this down a bit because obviously it's a little bit smaller. So I just want to cut a little bit off there. That'll go through there nicely. I'll cut some out and I'll emboss one piece and then we can just see. So we want the number 1 plate and we want the number 2 plate, our piece of card, and let's throw some pets on and see how they cut. I'm just going to turn it around because then I can get hold of the handle and fit on there too. There we go. And pop another number 2 on the top. I've done that right. Whoops. And just turn the handle and it goes through. Oh, that's easy to use. I might have made it look a bit difficult because I can't get in over because of the camera, but that's cut out lovely. One pass through and they've all cut out. Brilliant, like that. Should be playing with that lots. Right, now the embossing folders. Let's find one of the new embossing folders. See how these are a bit big, so they won't go through. You'd have to use the bigger one, but you've got these little ones and they're made for this. So you just bob your card in like so. This is good for doing panels because obviously it's not a full size of a card, but these are brilliant for doing panels. And I'm going to go with the normal one. I think these are classed as normal ones. Yeah, and that goes through really nice. This will be on my desk a lot more than the big one unless I need something big cutting out. So let's see how that's embossed. Oh, look at that. Fabulous. That's come out really nice. Oh, that's my new toy to be played with. Folds up really small. But you can see how big my hand is and how big that is. And I did want to try something out actually. We've got a new sandwich bag, like a little bag from Stampin' Up, and I just want to see if it fits in. Oh, look at that. Fits in, handle pokes out a little bit, but you can always put that on the other side. But how good's that? Oh, I like it. Having some machine, cut machine, can travel. Lovely. So, it's in the annual catalogue, this as well, and I can't find. See, I had it a minute ago, didn't I? I'm always doing this. Picking. Ah, there it is. Let's have a look. Where is it? There it is. So on here, this is the mini and it's £56 in the UK, and it comes with those 4 plates that I showed you. You can buy extra plates for it, which are on the next page. So you've got your extra plates here if you need any extras. The magnetic plates aren't available yet because there's a little fault with them, so they've taken them off until they get them sorted, and as soon as they got them sorted they'll be back in. But that's the set of plates that you can get as an extra set of plates, base plate, mini embossing plates. You've got the cutting plates that you can buy extra as well, but like I say, there's 4 comes in the packet. Embossing folder, and it works with all the the mini embossing folders, and oh, you get 5 plates. God, I can't count today. So you get the 2, one for 3D, one for standard embossing, your base plate and your 2 cutting plates. How good's that? So I just had to share because I've been that excited about getting it, and it's so cute. It can fit on my desk without having to put it away, so it'll be there handy for whenever I want to use it. So thank you very much for joining me and sharing my excitement. Speak to you all soon. Thank you for joining me. Bye.